Today, we have reached Barachukki waterfalls, which is located 60 kilometers from Mysore, Karnataka, and 200 kilometers from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and around 225 kilometers from Bangalore, Karnataka. This waterfalls is located in the southern part of Karnataka on the river of Kaveri. After this falls, the Kaveri flows into Tamil Nadu and enters Tamil Nadu. So, as Kaveri is the great river, this falls gives a great view and very good satisfaction during monsoon time. The falls view is amazing. Come here and enjoy. You can have buses and trains till Mysore. From Mysore, you can hire a cab or you can get a two wheeler and reach over here in 1 hour and enjoy the view.